Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a laser trapdoor in Minecraft. So first of all what you gotta need to do is make 4 by 5 hole in the ground like this. Okay, now we're just gonna make it deep about 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as you can see 5 blocks deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what we gonna do quickly is we're just gonna place 3 blocks of iron. So in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now further what we have to do is basically we're just gonna create a shape like this. I'm gonna show you. So let's get right here. One here, uh, two below, and then one above, and like this here, and yep, like this. And also basically I'm gonna destroy these as well. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna start placing my things. So also we're gonna make it a bit longer. So to make it longer we're just gonna make a 2 blocks depth, and the space would be approximately 3 into 5, 3 rows and 5 columns. And yeah, we're just gonna elongate it. We're just gonna drag the redstone dust like this, put a couple of repeaters, and we're just gonna add our sticky pistons like this. We also added 2 sticky pistons like this. Wait a second, let me just clear the weather. Okay, it's just gonna clear up in a second. Okay, so what's left right now is we're just gonna place our beacons right down here. So it would be like this. Okay, we're just gonna place red glass on this like this. And also what you're gonna do is put a smooth stone right next to this and add some green light. So to do that you're just gonna take a green stained glass, and we're gonna use it like this. So what's now left is that we have to put a fence right here. So let me just quickly show you how we can do that. Basically, we can do it by just placing 2 smooth stone, one here and one here. And next, what we're gonna do is add our gate. So to add our gate, we're just gonna go like this. And furthermore, we're just gonna add a carpet on top of our gates like this. And now what's left is just to cover all of our contraption up. So let's keep on doing it. Okay, now we're just gonna make the gate a bit, more great. So what we're just gonna do is add a couple of stones and the glass blocks. And here our door is ready. And if we try to enter, we can't go inside. And upon pressing of the lever, we can easily go inside. There you go, guys. Our gate is complete, and this is how you make a laser door. So this was pretty much for this video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.